Buhle Betfu, the traveling has not stopped, and of course discovering new places in the kingdom has not stopped. Today we are here at Mbaga, where we have discovered a new place that recently opened just last year. It is called ELaweni Lodge. We can't wait to see what is it that they have to offer to the members of the public. We'll show you everything right here on Buhle Betfu. Stay tuned.
Sipho ngwakamaliba Sibongo kusebenzela ELaweni lodge as manager wale lodge. Indzawo yaseLaweni lodge itfolakala eLubonjeni kuMalinza on your way to Stegi. Na ubheke Stegi nje on your left before ufike eMalinza esikolweni. Kule ndzawo yethu si provider ama services la hlukahlukene. Offerisha accommodation, although indzawo yethu is still under construction. So far sina 5 rooms completed. Lokusho ukuthi tivakashi tethu tingakhona ukuthi tifike tilale nathi sivakashele. Siphinze ke sesibe ne swimming pool. Swimming pool yethu ahlukene kabili. Kune swimming pool yebantfwana, kube ne swimming pool yebantu labadzala. Then ke next to the swimming pool kuba ne bar. Lapho khona abantu labadzala labakhona ukuthi jabulisa khona. Then ke sibe sesibanayo i-restaurant yethu nangabe abantu bethu betile basivakashele bayakhona ukuthi bathole kuya lokuya ngasethunjini bakhone kudla bajabule. Kulama rooms ethu la ngi5 la completed singilama rooms lesithi ngema executive rooms. So kulama rooms ethu kune sitting room, kube ne bathroom bese kuba ne bedroom. So indzawo nje velele cishe accommodate cishe a family of 3 lokusho ukuthi babe nakahamba nje namake nemntwana bangakhona kulala. Then ke cishe nje ngasho ukuthi so far ngilama executive rooms ethu la completed, but since kwamanje sisakha siyakhona nekuthi ma customer ethu la bookile siyakhona nekuthi siwa arrange ukuthi angalala ngabo 4 in the room. Lokusho ukuthi singakhona ukuthi la sitting room yethu siphinde singete leyo mbhede on request ke. Nawulele lakithi sikhona uku-offerisha i-breakfast, then ke i-dinner ne-lunch uya-order separate. Lokusho ukuthi nje li-customer lethu lelifikile for i-dinner siye sil-provide i-menu yethu li-order from the menu. I-menu yethu ke ihlukahlukene kakhulu, inema light meals, ibe nema main meals nema desserts nawo akhona. So kuyahlukahlukana ke kuba kuye ke umuntu ukuthi ufuna kudla ini. Nangabe ufuna the light meals uyakhona ukuthola boma burger boma salads. Na ufuna ama main meals ikhona imicwembe, ikhona nabo chicken like bo full chicken uyakhona ukuyithola lapho udle khona usuthe ne-family yakho. Nangabe uhamba ne-family akhona ke nema pizza. Ema pizza ethu ke ngacishe ngisho ukuthi adla libhethu lalibonjeni. So nangabe nje ufuna ukudla ipizza lemnanzi elibonjeni singakumema ukuthi uvakashele ELaweni lodge. Ungasishayela nasecingweni lethu ubeke umplace order lakho bese siyakwendela uyakhona ukuthi ufike uthole ipizza yakho seyiready. Kuma events ethu lesinawo lakhaya normally sithole abantu labete for ma birthday parties, for baby shower, maybe family gatherings. Normally sicele ukuthi kuma customer ethu lasivakashele from 10 to 15 people babhadale imali lenganga 1500 kulo 1500 bamspenda wonke la khaya sho ukuthi kumspenda kwabo kungaba ukuthi badla kudla bathenga loyo mgcwembe bathenga lawo mapizza bathenga leyo full chicken normally nje bantu bethu labavama ukusivakashela bathanda ikakhulu le full chicken ngoba yona icishe ithatha lithamo lebantu bayakhona nje ukuthi nangabe bang4 bahlukaniselane emakota kota badle besuthe. Then ke siphinze futhi bantu bethu nabafikile basivakashele ngoba sinayo nale sound system ikakhulu ngala uma weekends nabefikile siyabafakela lo music bakhone ukujayiva bajabule. Lokunye futhi lesiye sikwende nangabe kukhona labo khanze ukuthi mhlawumbe baphathele lokho kudla kwabo siyayi-offerisha ne braai area although lapho sikhona kuthatha only one group asithathi more than 2 wema groups, it's only one group lesikhona kuyithatha ngoba indzawo yethu incane kakhulu. Lokukhona ukuthi vele njengoba sishito ukuthi indzawo yethu isakhiwa ema rooms lesinawo ang 15 naseka onke. So the bottom part of it lele completed itaw offerisha the executive part of accommodation bese kuthi ngale ngenhla on the upper loft kule langetulu ema rooms ethu lawo kutoba ngema standard rooms. Lokusho ukuthi nje kutaba nje just bed then kube ne bathroom nekuthi umuntu akhona nje ukuthi ahlale kube nelitafula that will be the standard rooms. Then ke lokho still sisakwenda. Then ke lokunye lesinako sine conference room yethu nayo ke isengakabi fully completed solo sisayakha. Lokusho ukuthi in the next months bavakashi bethu bangakhona ukuthi bende lawo ma conferences. Siphinzeke sibe nayo ke indzawo yethu lengala ngase poolside cishe ke yona i-completed but sisengakajabuli ngendlela lesiyiqedze ngayo. Kusesekunengi lesikubukile ukuthi sisengayi-developer so that bantu bethu babete batojabula. Indzawo yethu yase-ELaweni lodge sifise ukuthi kube indzawo le more attractive ikakhulu la Libonjeni. So na uyibuka nje la kule pool area sifise ukuthi ekhambeni kwesikhathi sigcine sesifake i-carpet la kule ndzawo yethu sibeke ma couches ma guests ethu akhona kufika ahlale athathe leto tithombe. Then ke lokunye lesinako sine section lesinayo lengale ngendansi kwale poolside. Kule ndzawo leyo sibuke ukuthi sitawenda ema-events. Ma-events ethu la utawufaka ekhathi ukuthi sitaba nabo family fun day. Sibe na lawo ma-games lokhanze ukuthi i-group mhlawumbe siyihostile ifuna kwenda bo team building. So itawusebenzisa leya ndzawo bende lawo ma-games abo labawendako. Siphinze sibukene ukuthi sitawakha another swimming pool lenkulu letawukhona ukuthi accommodate linani lelikhudlwana ngoba lena lesinayo incane kakhulu. Lokunye lesikubukile ukuthi kule ndzawo leya sitawhosta bo DJ kuyendeka ukhanze ukuthi kuleso sikhathi sinema artist labuya mhlawumbe ngephandle kwelive lavakashelela kangwane sitawukhona ukuthi nawo siwa invite ede la njengoba ubona ukuthi sifuna ukuthi le ndzawo yethu ibe indzawo lehluke kakhulu la Libonjeni. Naloko ihlukanisa kwethu sendele ukuthi naloyo lothi uyeta lotektolala akhone kuyitfola i-privacy naloyo lotengale ku-event akhone kuyitfola i-privacy. So si-sectionile nje to accommodate everyone kube bete lokhanza ukuthi so yagongonyeka nakasivakashele ELaweni. Ngaphinze futhi ngiqhubeke ngisimeme sive ukuthi singeta sithovakashela ELaweni during the day njenganyalo nje isama iyeta batawufisa ukuthi bete batotipotisa bangeta during the day bafike baswime basupport futhi siyathi sinabetile batoswima kunengi labatawusupporta kuko batawuthenga kudla batawuthenga nalawo ma drink. So siyacela ukuthi sive site sitojabula eLaweni Lodge. Ma social media platforms ethu lesiwasebenzisako sikhona ka Facebook, ungasisesha lapha ka Facebook ufune nje eLaweni Lodge utamthola. Akhona futhi nalapho ema contact details ethu. Ukhona futhi sikhona futhi na ku Instagram uyakhona kusithola. Nalamanye ke ema social media platforms ethu uyakhona futhi nekusithola ka WhatsApp. WhatsApp wethu sisebenzisa inombolo lethi 7837 2179. Iyatholakala leyo nombolo leyo ka WhatsApp. Uyakhona futhi nekuthi uyishayele nangabe mhlawumbe ufuna ukuplace lelo order lakho ungasebenzisa leyo nombolo ushayele kuyo.
You have heard it for yourself in Buhle Betfu that the places that we visit actually still have more to offer. You might visit a place today, but when you come back the other time, there will be something else that has been added onto the facility. So let us visit Eswatini, because you never know. You might come to a place and find it totally revamped or something really exciting added onto it. Let's take a short break, and when you come back, there's more for you right here on Buhle Betfu.
Igama lami ngiphindile wakasho assistant manager. ELaweni is a resort that basically caters for people that are doing a horse riding, but then it ventured to accommodation, restaurant and other activities. Tindlu tethu la ngekhatsi takhiwe okay, I would basically say the main made, because emabhavu akhona akhiwe ngasemende nemasink akhona. Lokwehlukile ke ngato na usivakashele khona nakushisa tindlu tethu ngekhatsi ti-cool, nakubanza ti-warm since tifulelwe ngetshani. It basically started as beehives, but then they ventured into those modern sort of Swazi houses, although they no longer beehive huts. Our restaurant offers a la carte menu whereby one picks whatever she wants to eat. Then if the group is like more than 20 people, we do buffets at 285 per person. Lokunye lokhona eHawaii ukuthi nawutovakasha khona ungeta even if ungakabook khona utokudla lunch and have drinks nebangani bakho uphinze ujike. Normally we do birthdays, which is outdoor. We also do garden weddings now, which are as well outdoor, whereby you bring your own decor and stuff. And we provide meals, but then we don't charge for venues. All customers need to do is to pay for accommodation, for the meals and drinks. Then the decor and that you do yourself. Should it be the birthday party or a baby shower as well as the wedding. Okay, lokunye lokungakwenda ucabange ukuvakashela eHawaii kune horse riding leba ngo-240 per person an hour.
Unjani sisi?
Ngiyaphila bhuti unjani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Ayakwati igama.
Nginelile ngwakandlovu mina.
Okay, mina bangibita ngeStar kaDlamini.
Oh, hi Star.
Yebo sisi. So silwane lesi understandayo.
Okay.
Sakwana ukusenza kona like unefear so ufuna ukukhuleka.
Mina nje lokungisaba siyakusenza.
Liyakusenza nje. Yabo, because kuyakhona lokho ukutesta nje kwento into lencane. Once wakhomba weakness ku advantage.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so like ifane tinja nje. Yabo.
Okay.
Yes, so when I feel free, breathe out. Yabo. Yes, we enjoy nalo ku ride.
If you learn to be loving by your own nature, not because of somebody else or something else. If you just become love, not love somebody, then you will know the nature of love. Then you will know the nature of love.
ELaweni also offers boat cruise, although Buhle Betfu ungekho la ELaweni umaguga Dam, where you can do an hour cruise as well as an overnight stay. Yona ke is safe catering. In terms of giving out back to the community, almost 3/4 of the staff that works at ELaweni is part of the community. For future plans, ELaweni is planning to grow a little bit bigger, maybe build up more houses and a bigger restaurant to accommodate at least more people than the one that we have, because it only accommodates few people. Our directions to ELaweni: when you're coming from Babane, you take the off-ramp to Pikspik and you drive a little bit just before you reach ELaweni Dam. There's an off-ramp on your left-hand side. Then you take the dirty road about 1 kilometer and then you'll be at ELaweni. ELaweni does have Facebook. We also have contact details, and in terms of cell phone, which is 76276714, which also does WhatsApp. We also have email address, which is ELaweni1@realnet.co.za.